Welcome back to another quick guide. Today. We'll walk you through how to add pop-up pictures in CapCut. Here are the steps to add pop-up pictures, images that appear with animation in CapCut. Launch the CapCut app on your mobile device. Tap New Project. On the home screen, tap New Project to start editing. Select your background video or photo. Choose a video or image where you want the pop-up picture to appear. So I choose one picture for now, then tap Add. Wait for media to load. Let CapCut load your media onto the timeline. Tap Overlay at the bottom menu. This lets you add another media layer on the top of your main content. Tap Add Overlay. Then select the photo you want to pop up, the image file. Then tap Add. Resize and position the image. Use pinch gestures to resize and drag the image to where you want it to appear on the screen. Trim the image duration. Adjust the image clip's length on the timeline by dragging the ends to fit the desired time frame. Tap the image clip. Make sure the image overlay is selected so you can edit it. Tap Animation at the bottom menu. Scroll to find Animation and go ahead and tap on it. Choose In Animation. Select In Entrance Animation, then pick an animation like Pop Up, Zoom In, Bounce In, etc. So I choose Zoom In. Adjust animation duration. You can control how fast the image pops up by adjusting the animation speed bar. Once done, tap the check mark. Preview your pop-up effect by tapping the play button. Tap Export to save it when you're happy with the result. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.